Hey guys, how's it going? I hope everyone's having a wonderful day. And today we're going to be cleaning out the G35 seats that we got from the junkyard. If you guys haven't subscribed yet, please don't forget to subscribe and like for more content similar to this. I also do countdown videos. So yeah, guys, please subscribe, and I hope you guys enjoy this video. Alright guys, so I went to the store. We got a couple of things. We got this Meguiar's carpet and upholstery cleaner. I've been had these in my house just stored away, so I'm gonna put these to use. I've used these before and they make wonders, so these are really good. I got a little brush to scrub the carpet, another leather cleaner and conditioner, so this one will help the leather not get cracked. So I've never used this before, so I'm gonna give it a shot. And then also got some gain for the carpet. So this is how like all the seats look. They're a little dirty. They're all not that bad, but the thing that's the dirtiest is probably the carpet, as you guys could tell. I'm gonna vacuum this, scrub it off, wash it real nice. The seats aren't too bad either, so we'll see how everything comes out. So yeah guys, panels aren't looking too bad either, so hopefully I'm just gonna, with the little rag, gonna wipe these down, wipe everything down, and see how everything comes out, and I'll be back with you guys with an update. Alright guys, so we're gonna start wiping these ones down, and just a little bit in here in the cracks and everything, trying to get all the dust out of this. There's like still a little bit of glass, so I'm gonna try to get a vacuum cleaner and just vacuum everything out, make sure I get all those little glass particles out. And already wiping this down is already making a difference, so yeah. So onto these panels. Look at all this dust that's on here, it's so messy. Alright guys, so I'm gonna finish dusting everything off, and then I'm gonna start cleaning it with like the proper stuff, so I'll get back to you guys in a bit. Alright guys, I'm gonna start cleaning these leather seats. I already started, but to use this product, all you have to do is just shake it up really nice and then put it on a wet cloth. So I'm using a microfiber towel, so just spray some in here, and then you're gonna go at it in the circular motion. Just keep going at it. Just keep going at it. I'm gonna spray some on this side. So then we're gonna keep scrubbing. Make sure to get everything all between the little cracks. Just keep going at it. So then after you finish doing this, what you're gonna do is you're gonna get a dry microfiber towel, which I have, which is this one, and you're gonna wipe everything down. So wiping this one down. Make sure everything is dry. Oh man, I left my handprint there. But making sure everything is dry. And man, I guess up here you can kind of tell the difference between this one and this one. This one looks a bit more cleaner than that one. I don't know if it's hard to tell, but I'm gonna keep going at it with this one, with that one, and with those seats over there, and I'll let you guys know when everything's done. Alright guys, so I just about finished cleaning all the leather seats. My helper helped me wash the carpet over here, so it looks a lot better. I think we're gonna get a vacuum cleaner and we're gonna suck up all the water in there, and we're gonna try to dry it as much as we can. And right now what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna add this leather deep conditioner, so this will prevent it from cracking, and it will also give it like a nice clean layer. So all you have to do is just shake the bottle and then just spray some on the seat, and then get a nice clean towel, and then just basically just wipe it in. And then the thing about this one that I like is that it might look a little glossy right now, but when it dries up, it has a nice finish to it. So I don't know, I don't like Armor All. I don't like the shine of stuff that's like really shiny. I know some people do like it, but personally I don't like it because it's all oily and it's, I don't know, I just don't like it. But so you put this on, you wait like 10 minutes, and then if there's like if there's still some left, you get it with like a damp cloth and you wipe it off, like all the excess stuff. But I'm gonna do this to all the seats, and then they should look very nice, and I'll show you guys how they look afterwards. Alright guys, so I just finished putting the protectant thing on, and look guys, it's still kind of drying up, but I mean, compared to how these seats looked before, I mean, there's a huge difference. So right now I'm gonna put all this stuff away. It's getting dark out, but before we finish, I'm gonna go probably to the car wash and use a vacuum that they have there and suck up all this water. And yeah guys, so I'm gonna put this away, and then I'm gonna continue on with everything tomorrow when there's more light out. So for now guys, I'll keep you guys updated. Alright, so it's the following day and everything dried up. So everything looks pretty nice compared to how they looked before. Especially the seats look clean. But what I'm most happy about is the carpet. The carpet looks like brand new. So yesterday we took it to get it vacuumed. We took out all the water and it's dried up. So the next step is gonna put everything in that car. Alright guys, so here are some before and after pictures of when we cleaned everything out. So in the beginning I'm going to show some before pictures, so as you guys can see it's all dirty, and then a bit further down I'm going to be showing you guys a video of how everything looked like once it's all cleaned up. Alright guys, this is going to be it for this video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Please subscribe if you guys haven't. Please like it, share it. It really helps me out. Tune in next time. I think I'm going to be posting the video of when I install everything next week. Maybe like on Thursday I'll have it up. So yeah guys, so if you guys want to see that video on how the car looks like with all the black interior, please subscribe so you guys can get notified on when that video shows up. And yeah guys, I hope you guys have a wonderful day. Hope you guys enjoyed the video. Till later guys.